Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is Milady meme coin. We're going to be analyzing the charts. You guys have been requesting it quite a bit. You guys showed a lot of interest in the previous update that I made, where I shared my personal thoughts with you guys on this project. And now today we will analyze once again what is happening and whether or not this project could potentially see a new next leg up. If you like these kind of updates, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and now let's get right in today's topic. So if we're looking at the price right now, you guys can see, it is currently sitting at 80755. It still has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros in front of its price. You guys can see though, most importantly, it's up 45.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 44% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, the market cap is currently sitting at $72.7 million. So of course it has retraced. People did take profits, and you guys gotta give credit to the people that did take profits. Don't be salty, don't say why has it dumped or why did people take profits. No, we have to be happy for the people that made lots of money on this, and the ones that took profits, great, good on you. This is the market we're here for. We're here for money. If you're going to be greedy, then guess what? You're going to be getting left behind, and someone else is going to come and take profits before you do. So kudos to the ones that did take profits. But if we're looking at the overall market cap, it is slowly but surely creeping up once again. You guys can see, as I said earlier, it's up almost 50% over the last 24 hours. And speaking about the 24 hours, you guys can see the volume is currently sitting at $50 million. So that is quite impressive in my opinion. If we're looking at the markets it's listed, you guys know, it's starting to get listed on a lot of exchanges. Crypto.com has also listed this. This is quite impressive, but majority of the buying pressure right now for this project is on Gate.io and MEXC Global, which is not, a surprise at this point. But now let's shift our focus towards the analysis. But before I begin, you guys know, as always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at its Twitter, you guys can see it is approaching the 50,000 followers mark, and quite impressive considering this project is not even a week old yet. It's making some massive moves. So massive shout out to the community itself. Good on them. Can't hate. And now if we're looking on Etherscan, this is what I want you guys to focus on. So the holder count has increased 11% over the last 24 hours. So 11% more holders have come back, or new ones have come back into the project. So of course you can make the statement that's saying that, the people that sold are re-entering. Of course, like I've said, some of them are re-entering, FOMOing back in, or just picking it up at a cheaper price. They might have sold the top and now they're getting in. Good on you. But we're currently sitting at 13,000 holders for a project that's not even a week old. And the main reason, as I've said to you guys in my previous update as well, is because of Elon Musk. Elon Musk really shot this project to the heights that it went to. And now more interest is coming than ever, because people think, when is Elon Musk ever going to use that same meme picture again? He's just going to post it. He wasn't shouting out about anything about ladies or anything. He was just posting the logo of this project. You guys can see this is that logo, and he posted that, and boom, this thing went to the moon. But now let's of course examine the charts. But before we do that, you guys can see the 24 hour volume is 18.2 million. I think it's higher than that, of course, because we are not taking the centralized exchanges into consideration, and the market cap is 72.8 million. So let's look further into the charts and see what is happening and where we could potentially be headed in the immediate short term. So let's go down. Let me see if this works. No. Anyways, so let's go back down. So you guys can see it went all the way up to this mark. So it had, I think, 1, 2, 3, so 6 zeros, and then we had quite a big retracement within its price, a massive retracement. I think a 70% retracement within its price. And this is where people were like, oh man, and I was seeing comments coming in, oh, I didn't take in profits. And I was looking on Twitter, there were people saying, oh man, I could have sold at a higher price. if you stumbled upon my video for the first time ever, before we even get into any of this, analysis, I just want to say one thing to you guys. Meme coins or any other project, if you are sitting at life-changing gains, lock those profits in. I don't know if I want to make a t-shirt about this to get this message going. You never want to hold your bags if you are sitting at massive gains. So let's say you look at your portfolio, right? Like, let's say you invested in a meme coin and it exploded. And remember, as I've said in all my videos, 99.8% of all these meme coins are going to go to zero. But that does not mean in this short period of term or this bull cycle, these meme coins are not going to explode. Yes, it's a bull market. Meme coins are hot. And of course, Bitcoin is, making massive strides across the board. Crypto is in a bull market. We're starting a new cycle. So of course, in the short term, yes, these are going to succeed. Only a few, like I said, only a few will survive, and like Shiba Inu survived from the last cycle. But how many other can you name from there? Okay, of course, we can say Elon, Elon is still there, Kishu Inu still, they're like a couple million market cap. But I'm speaking about like majority, 99.8% of them failed. So that's why it's important to lock these profits in, and also remember, if you don't lock in profits, someone else is going to do it before you. And when they lock in profits, it creates a snowball effect. And you guys can see this is what happened here too, just yesterday after, we topped out on the 11th. And, we did see a massive sell-off, might have been a massive whale or a big, early investor that cashed out. And that created a panic attack and, the snowball effect. And you guys can see we did see the price go down a bit. So learn from this, guys, lock those profits in. So now we're up about like 65% from yesterday's lows, and right now we're facing a resistance that is quite important, and that is around this 9801 cents mark, which will kill a zero once we go above that. So if we break out of that, you guys can see we did try a few different times to break out of there, but we're seeing it getting rejected because it is a level of resistance. But if we crack past this, and especially if Pepe, the king of the market, start moving towards the upside and starts hitting the $1 billion market valuation, I do believe meme coins in general are going to follow it. And of course, Ladies is a hyped meme coin. I do expect that this, after it breaks out of this level of resistance, I do believe it could potentially start heading towards its all-time highs quite fast. A lot of money is eyeing this project. Not only that, the meme coin market has a lot of money on the sideline. So that's what I would be expecting, some sort of move like that. We're fighting against that resistance right here. Let me draw a line to give you guys a better understanding. Of course, we can't really do analysis on these projects too much because these projects have just launched, but here I'll give you a better understanding, a visual, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So previously, you guys can see that was the previous all-time high back on May 10th. We did see the price go down, and then you can see the previous all-time high came as a resistance, right? And then finally it exploded back down. This time around, we're knocking on the door a few times. If we break out here, I could see the next leg up play out. We could see this coin go into all-time highs pretty quick, in my personal opinion, and, even hit, a higher market valuation. And again, that's my own personal opinion, but, the exchanges that's listing it, and who knows which other big exchange is on the sidelines after the Elon tweet. You never know what can happen. So that's my personal analysis right now for this project. But as I said, guys, if you're sitting at some massive profits, lock those profits in. And when it comes to meme coins, 99.8% of them will fail at the end of the day. So if you want to buy a meme coin that you like, remember, always do your own due diligence and research, and always invest what you can afford to lose. And my saying on meme coins is, even if you are willing to invest $100 that you are okay to lose, I would say only invest 50. So that is how things work. But that is it for today's update. I like what I'm seeing, very impressive. And let me know down below in the comment section if you guys want to see more Ladies update on a daily basis, and I'll bring you guys that. Okay, that's it. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.